Hey Advanced Algebra. Today in class we worked some more on right triangle trig, and for your notes tonight I just want to copy down one example of the thing that we did in class today, or something like what we did. So if you get the information that cosine of theta equals 4 over 5, and the problem asks you to find the other 5 trigonometric functions, or 5 other trig functions, what they want you to find is the sine of theta. We already know the cosine of theta is 4 over 5. They want you to find the tangent of theta. They want you to find the cosecant of theta, the secant of theta, and the cotangent of theta. Now, to do this, secant is pretty easy. Since it's the reciprocal of cosine, it's just going to be 5 over 4. But for the other missing trig functions, we're going to need to draw a triangle. So I draw a triangle. I label one of the angles theta, and then since I know from SOHCAHTOA that cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, that tells me that the adjacent side is 4 and the hypotenuse is 5. So I go over here, I've got my adjacent, my opposite, and my hypotenuse. My adjacent side is 4, my hypotenuse is 5, and then I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the opposite side. So 4 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. 16 plus b squared equals 25. If I subtract 16 from both sides, I get b squared equals 9. And when I square root both sides, I get b equals 3. So my opposite side is 3. And then once I know the missing side of my triangle, I can fill out the other trig functions. So for instance, I know sine is opposite over hypotenuse from SOHCAHTOA, sine. So that's going to be, my opposite side is 3, and my hypotenuse is 5, so 3 over 5. I know from SOHCAHTOA that tangent is TOA, opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to take my opposite side, which is 3, over my adjacent side, which is 4. And then once I have sine and tangent, I can just use the reciprocals. So the reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. The reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. You just flip them upside down. And you're done. You found the 5 missing trig functions other than cosine, and you're finished. Alright, that's it for notes. I will see you guys in class tomorrow. Thanks.